to ICO reviews, and today I present to you Terawatt global LED adoption through blockchain technology. Now, what solution is Terawatt ICO planning to solve? Please watch this video.
Terawatt is a patent-pending, environmentally friendly blockchain startup with a strong focus on monetization and accelerating mass adoption of LED lighting. Terawatt's benefits: master nodes when available on Ethereum, patent-pending LED purchase verification process, collaboration with utility companies, strong monetization focus and methods, solves real-world problem, helps protect environment by reducing greenhouse gas emissions from electricity production. Feel-good company that helps drive current state, local, federal, national, and global green initiatives. Through token incentives, voracious marketing, decentralized autonomous organization utilization, and key partnerships, Terawatt aims to help put LEDs in all residents, office buildings, and facilities worldwide. Customers will be able to have instant access to applicable tax rebates, search for tax credits, and then securely store their purchase data on the network for later use in filing taxes. Participants can buy, sell, stake, donate, or hold LED tokens, which will power the Terawatt ecosystem. For more information, visit www.terawatt.
You can see how Terawatt hope to make the world greener by having LED bulbs that reduce the consumption of electricity. And for many countries, also let me say some countries where having electricity is a major problem for them, they will really appreciate this the more. They know what it means. The citizens know what it means to have little access to electricity. Now, the private sales registered in June 2018, and the pre-ICO will start in July 2018. ICO is in September. Now, let's go down. See the website. Now, the contribution 30 for development, 20 for location, legal and contingency, 10 marketing and growth, 40 and all the rest. You can see how they plan to allocate the token. Now this is CEO Evan Williams, Maurice A. Layton 3 CEO, Jerome Raymond CTO, Alsa Takujira, advisor and developer. You can see them here, some advisors are marketing. So in this ICO, both the advisors are really working and part of the team. It's not actually different outside most of the advisors. You can see them one after another. Now you can see the benefit here. It lights up immediately like an incandescent bulb. They stay cool to the touch even after use. Lasts up to 5 times longer than CFLS. I mean, this is a regular bulbs people use. Though sensitive to cold temperature, do not contain mercury. Many of these bulbs they use it's not LED, contains mercury, which is harmful. Some models can be used with a dimmer switch, available in soft, warm, and bright white hues. Low energy light bulbs use less than 20% of the energy of a conventional light bulb and can last to 15 times longer. Can you imagine? Now you are saving 80% of the energy supposed to use, and in fact they last longer. This is something unique Terawatt hope to achieve, which other ICOs are not really getting involved with. And now the overall supply is 100 million. I love this. Is the supply is not too much. The circulating supply is 65 million. 65 million is going to be available for supply at the end of the day. Now they hope to do burning or a kind of buyback of the token, and the more tokens they burn, the higher the price goes. Let's check ICO bench. The price is going to be 30 cents. The price of the ICO is going to be 40 cents. You can see if you are from US, China, North Korea, Syria, Iran, Iraq, and Belize, you are not allowed to involve in this ICO. But if your country not from these countries, feel free to get involved. And they have 52,733 members. The ICO has not really started yet. You can't imagine. how many people are getting involved, how much people are bullish about this ICO. Now, Terawatt is registered on the website 2017 December and to expire December 2018, and you can see all you need to know about it. And now, as I want you to know, I'm not your financial advisor. It's your decision to do what you want to do, to make your own decision. And in fact, I'm not going to tell you to get involved or not to get involved. It's my duty to let you know about this ICO, to review it for you. And it's your own decision, it's your own to make your own decision to get involved or not. But for me, I'm okay with these ICOs. I've checked what I need to check about it, and I believe they have a solution to a particular problem. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you a million times. But please, before you go, please just hit the subscribe button. Just subscribe now, please, before you go. And I tell you, hit on the notification bell up. And once you hit that, you'll begin to see more videos from me. Thank you for being part of this community. Thank you very much. And until next time I come your way, this is ICO Reviews.